Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are pleased to offer this Kawasaki Ninja 125. Registered the 16th of March 2024 on a 24 plate with only 401 miles. Presented in metallic spark black and metallic graphite grey. This one owner from new low mileage example also benefits from must-have R&G aeroframe sliders. The Kawasaki Ninja 125 is not simply the first step on the Ninja road, it also displays Kawasaki's trademark engineering quality, from the Ninja H2 trellis-style frame to the sleek Kawasaki racing team-inspired bodywork. With its responsive 15 brake horsepower, 11 kilowatts, engine tuned for low to mid-range flexibility plus characteristic Ninja top-end thrills, the Ninja 125 is a great way to say hello to the sports bike world and start enjoying the thrills of motorcycling. This stunning example benefits from the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01 424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note, there's a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.